Most people don't quit coding. They just got stuck and called it burnout. You open VS Code and freeze. You stare at the problem. You kind of know what to do, but your brain starts spiraling. Is this best practice? Is this the right pattern? Should I structure it differently? What if this is completely wrong? And suddenly, writing 10 lines of code feels like defusing a bomb. I used to call this a coding block. I had ambition, big ambition, but zero momentum. I wanted to be great. I just didn't want to write bad code to get there. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your first draft is almost guaranteed to be garbage. Not slightly imperfect, garbage. And that's fine. The real problem isn't bad code. It's perfection paralysis. So here's the rule that changed everything for me. Create an experiment branch. Literally name your Git branch experiment. In this branch, best practices do not exist. Architecture does not exist. Clean code does not exist. There is only one question. Does it work? That's it. If the variable names are embarrassing, good. If the structure is ugly, good. If you would never show this to another human, perfect. You are not writing production code. You are generating raw material. You can become the critic later. Right now, you need to become a fountain of bad code. Because bad code can be improved, blank files cannot. And until you push to production, mistakes in software are basically free. You are not performing surgery. You are experimenting. Now let's talk about the second trap, overwhelm. You say you want to build something big, a SaaS app, a clone of Reddit, a trading bot, but your brain sees the whole mountain at once. That's why you freeze. So shrink the mountain. Use question-driven development. Don't ask, how do I build Reddit? Ask, how do I create a search bar in HTML? Don't ask, how do I build a full backend? Ask, how do I send JSON from a server? Turn one massive goal into 10 small, Googleable questions. Each answer is a win. Each win creates momentum. Momentum kills overthinking. And finally, manage your energy. Stop pretending you have 8 hours of deep focus. If you only have 30 minutes, accept it. Make a coding menu. Low energy? Build a tiny utility. Fix one bug. Return hello world from an API. Medium energy? Add one feature. High energy? Refactor something messy. When you decide the task before you start, you remove the mental negotiation. No thinking, just doing. Here's the mindset shift. Programming is not studying. Studying feels heavy and evaluative. Programming is a craft, like woodworking, like sketching. The awkward, stuck feeling, that's not a signal to quit. That's the moment right before growth. You don't get better by thinking about code. You get better by producing code. Even bad code, especially bad code. So define a small win today. Not become a better developer. Not learn system design. One small, concrete win. Make an API return hello world. Render one component. Fix one bug. Get the dopamine hit. Then do it again tomorrow. That's how momentum starts. Not with perfection, with motion. Thank you for your time. Subscribe.